We're checking out Overmont. It's a 265-pound capacity, 150-liter camper storage unit that's portable. Take anywhere you like, put all your stuff in there and hold it nice and strong. Machine washable on the fabric and weather resistant. We're going to show you the 30-second hookup, how simple it is to do. And here we go. Even though if you make a mistake, I'll still get done in under 30 seconds. Now 30 seconds is just installing the cart, just like so. No need to rush. We're there, we're on. Put in a couple extra pieces for support and put in the cover that goes on one way. Off we go, just like that. Now this is very easy to build. If you need to take it apart, over here there are caps that you simply lift up and it takes just a little time. They're pressured in there by clips. There's a button over here you're going to push in and release up. That's the button you're pushing, and this takes everything off of the unit. We're going to take it all off for you. Take out the insides. You're going to lift up just a little bit, and underneath it's going to be held on by Velcro. You also need to take the sides off as well. Here's the Velcro. Q195 metal. The bags are machine washable. They're weather resistant. We have Q195 steel. This over here is your clips that's going to put on this large bag over here. And what we're going to do is reassemble the unit and show you what it's about. We have the storage camper unit all assembled. Now the only next step we to show you is how to close it up and store it away. Close the handle, leave on the outside, fold up, push in, lock into place. With the red on the outside and the handle on the outside, squeeze together, repeat for the bottom. Fold it up. I hope you enjoy your Overmont wagon for all your camping and storage needs. Enjoy your product. Thank you for viewing.